Agusan Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Agusan del Sur, Mindanao, Philippines, is a ecological treasure spanning approximately 14,000 hectares. It is home of numerous endemic species including endangered Philippine eagle, and provide initial service like flood control and water purification. The sanctuary also holds significant cultural value for indigenous communities that live with ecosystem for generations. However, the sanctuary faces challenges such as deforestation, climate change, and pollution. To address the issues, it is circular implement the program sustainable resources management practices and restore habitats, strengthen legal protects, and promoting responsible ecotourism can further support conservation efforts, ensuring reparation for unique biodiversity of for future generations.